When using a Mujo textbook in your class, you'll have access to our Teacher Resource Portal. This is hosted on our website, courses.mujo.com. After you receive your login, you'll have all of the courses that you've chosen to teach listed here. Mujo is a teacher-only platform. All of these resources are meant to be downloaded and uploaded to your chosen LMS. For each title, you'll see a list of the latest version so you can see which version you're currently using, the learning objectives by each chapter, a suggested breakdown of assessment, and lesson plans in the form of suggested hourly running orders for all the content in the book. We also have chapter-by-chapter PowerPoints, which are made in PowerPoint format, so you can edit and add content as desired. For assessments, the midterm and final exams are available in PDF or test bank format. In addition to the integrated activities in the textbook, there's also a hands-on final project which can be found in the teacher portal. There's a full lecture video for each chapter, which can be a great additional learning modality for your students uploaded to your LMS. There are many chapter activities integrated within the textbook. They are also all listed in a Word document here, so you can copy and paste them into your LMS activities. If you would like a personalized walkthrough or sample access to our Teacher Resource Portal, please book a meeting with one of our curriculum executives today.